In this demonstration, we're going to be going over the press releases function within the content manager system. This is another highly customized function that we offer. I'll just kind of run through this one that we have for demonstration purposes, just as an example, but it can be customized to however you would like it to display. In this case, the way they display it is showing the date, sorting it in date order, where the newest one will always show at the top, having a title of the actual news story itself, and then when you click on the title, it's going to show the actual content of that news story. And then at the very top, you can see you can click on this back to press releases, which will take you to the full list of press releases. This allows you to not have to create new pages for every press release, but it gives you a simple way to to administer just the press releases themselves. So if I wanted to edit any of these press releases that I already have on here, all I have to do is click on the actual press release itself, and then there will be a pencil icon. So I just click on that. Once I click on that, you can see that there are three things that I can customize on here. There's the title itself, there's the date at which it displays, and then there's the actual content. And you can see that the content uses the HTML editor. It's the same HTML editor that's used throughout the site. So it has the same functions, ability to add images, links, things of that nature as well. And so if you wanted to change anything on here, I'm just going to change this first quarter results to second quarter results just to show you. And then you just click on the update button, and then it will dynamically make that update for you. So now you can see that the title has changed. If you wanted to similarly delete one of these press releases, you can do that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this top one. So I'm just going to click back on this edit pencil icon, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that there's a delete function on here. So if I click on delete, it'll ask me if I'm sure I want to delete that item. Click on OK, and now there's only 2 items on here. If I wanted to add a new press release, all I have to do is click on this Add New Record button. So I just click on that. It's going to ask me for a title, and I'm just going to type in a test here. This is a test. I click on the calendar button, which will actually pop up a little calendar on here, and then I can choose what date that this press release came out. I'm just going to choose today's date as the date. And then this is where I would actually type in the actual press release itself. So I'm just going to type that in. And then I can just click on update, and it's gonna sort it based on the date that I put in there, with the most recent date occurring first. So you can see this is a test was the title that I selected. So when I click on this is a test, it'll take me to the full news story. It'll again put the title of it, and then the date, and then the actual info for the press release itself on here. And I can just click on back to press releases, which will take me to the full list. This, much like the rate updater, can be customized to however you'd like it. It can ask for as much information or as little as possible. This particular one we made very basic, just to show the general functionality of it. We can also make it to where it will display a certain number of items, which can be changed on the settings of it itself. To do that, I'm just going to go to the configuration of it and just show you where that is. The very last item, there's a records returned button on here. So if I wanted to only show the most recent 2 entries, then I can just choose 2 as records return, click on save configuration and return, and now it's only going to show the most recent 2. So there's a lot of functionality there, and that's going to conclude our demonstration of the press releases.